The Audi Q7 key fob uses a slide and split design for battery replacement. This makes it easy to access the battery when needed. First, locate the small notch on the side of the fob. This notch is usually near the key blade and is the entry point for opening the case. Next, insert a flat tool, such as a small screwdriver or a plastic pry tool, into the notch. Using a plastic tool helps prevent scratches on the fob's surface. Now, gently slide or pry the tool to release the clips that hold the two halves of the fob together. Apply even pressure to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Finally, carefully separate the top and bottom halves of the fob to expose the battery compartment. Work slowly and avoid using excessive force, which could crack the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the battery inside. It's typically a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell. Use a flat tool to gently pop out the old battery. Note its orientation with the positive side facing up. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation, matching any diagram inside the fob. Realign the two halves of the fob and press them firmly together until the clips snap back into place. Test the fob's functionality by pressing the buttons near your vehicle. If it doesn't work, the fob may need reprogramming.